Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I figured I'd show kind of my plan for building custom folding tables. Save a lot of money over the ones online. We're here in the laundromat. Got some work going on. But we're gonna need about 5 of these. If you buy them through the distributor, the Sol-o-matic ones, they're plastic on top with some metal legs. They're about $900 each. And I need probably 4 to start, and I'll probably add some more. So I'm just gonna build them myself. This is one that was left over from the old owner. And if you look at it, it's really basic construction. These things are all dirty because we're grinding concrete, but all it is 1.5" steel stock, square, and then just 2 angle irons across, and same thing on the other side. And then the countertop's bolted to the top. So I took my measurements. I'm gonna get all the metal cut from metal supermarkets. For one table, it's probably about $25 worth of metal. High side, maybe $35 plus tax. So I need 4 of them. So each one's gonna be $35 plus tax. Countertop is about $80 to $100 for my countertop guy. So for each table, and then I have to get them welded too. So I'll pick up the metal, drop them off my welder, who charges $25 an hour. Probably about an hour to weld each table. So $100 to the welder, 4 countertops at $100 each is $400. So we're at $500 total. And then the steel, say about $200 on the high side. We're looking at $700 for 4 tables compared to about $900 for 1 table through the distributor. This is a 24 inches by 6 feet. And your classic style table. Really, really basic. They do have feet on the bottom of them, so they're adjustable. I could put those in as well. I could put these caps in at the end as well. After the welder welds it, I'll probably put up a lot of coats of Rust-Oleum paint on here so it doesn't chip and it looks really good. Just showing you the construction. So just give you guys an idea. You don't always have to buy the expensive tables from the distributor. You can make do. Another option I've seen too is the stainless steel tables, like for kitchens. I think that looks nice, but again, it'll scratch, get dirty, get dented. These things will be cheap enough where I can always paint the countertop or replace the countertop if, in 5 or 10 years, if it gets too damaged. Not a big deal. But thanks for watching, guys. If you have any ideas for other custom tables, shoot down in the comments below, and I'd like to hear them.